Okay guys, hello! Today I'm showing you not sand, and actually I've never done anything like that during my recordings, but today I'm working, as you see, on something very different. What is this? This is the thing which I invented in 2013, and I call it the liquid color cartoon animation, or kind of a liquid sand. Basically it's something kind of a plasticine, and I mix it with some liquids, kind of a chemistry. It took me pretty long to invent it, and now I'm working on a set of cartoons, and not going to show you a lot, just a little bit. My hands are going to be very dirty, by the way. So what do we have? Something like this, yeah? So it's almost sand, but it has more possibilities on one side as a colorful thing. On the other hand, it doesn't allow many things which sand does. I rarely do it on stage as live performances, but I did it this year, in the beginning of the year, at America's Got Talent Fantasy League, as a part of my semi-final performance, and I like this technique very much. So soon I will share the result, and now my big goodbye. Guys, I'm working on such an exciting project. This is, okay, I'll tell a bit. It's a fairy tale. Many of you know it. It's a Danish fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen about a prince, a princess, and an ant. Let's wait until the premiere. Sorry, my hands are dirty, but this guy is also dirty. Guess who is it? Well. Oh, who are you? I don't know you. You know me. Okay, let me work at your kingdom. Do you know what the fairy tale is this? If you do, write me a comment. If you don't, wait until the premiere. And this is a very good technique, a liquid material technique. I love it so much, and actually I invented it. That's why I'm also proud. So I've been working for 6 hours, now I'm finishing. I'm going to show you the most important thing. You think it's so simple. It's not so simple. Look here. I'm switching off the light. That's the secret. You see? I cannot tell anything more. Soon you will see the result.